Have you ever considered what the future of education might look like? How the rapid advancement of technology could revolutionize the way we teach and learn? Welcome to a new era of education, one that brings learning to life in the most tangible way possible through 3D printing. 3D Printing Academy UK's After School Club offers an exciting new approach to education. This innovative opportunity allows students of all ages, from 4 to 18, to bring their ideas to life by designing, creating, and printing three-dimensional objects. This hands-on approach not only reinforces classroom concepts, but also fosters problem-solving skills and boosts self-confidence. But the benefits of 3D printing in education don't stop at practical experience. This technology fuels creativity and imagination, giving students the freedom to design and produce their own objects. From engineering prototypes to artistic sculptures, the possibilities are virtually limitless. Your school has the potential to become a breeding ground for young innovators and artists. Recognizing that every student and every school is unique, 3D Printing Academy UK offers customized programs to cater to varied skill levels. Whether you have beginners keen to explore the world of 3D printing or advanced learners looking for a new challenge, we have a curriculum that can be tailored to meet your specific needs. At the heart of our approach is a commitment to reinforcing STEM education. Through 3D printing, students naturally engage with science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, deepening their understanding and passion for these critical fields. This hands-on approach not only makes learning fun, but also prepares students for the future. In an increasingly digital world, 3D printing skills are highly sought after in various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and architecture. By introducing our club, you're equipping students with valuable skills that are not only in demand today, but also highly transferable to future careers. Our 3D printing clubs also promote collaboration and teamwork. Students work together on projects, share ideas, and learn from each other's experiences. This collaborative atmosphere not only enhances communication skills, but also prepares students for success in any field that requires effective teamwork. In conclusion, the future of education is here, and it's at your fingertips with 3D Printing Academy UK's After School Club. By embracing this opportunity, you're empowering your students with essential skills, nurturing their creativity and preparing them for success in the digital age. So why wait? Take the leap and make your school a hub of creativity, innovation, and technology. Contact 3D Printing Academy UK today to explore how our after-school club can become an integral part of your school's journey toward educational excellence. Together, we can shape the future of education.